Hello everybody, Ryan Huggins here, and welcome to the Journey Investments Show. All right, so hey everyone, thank you so very much for coming to our channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and like the channel. Also make sure when you hit subscribe, you hit the bell and select all so you see all of our upcoming videos. This channel is designed to bring you all things real estate investment. If you are an expert real estate investor, we are going to have tons of information for you. If you are a novice investor or you've never invested in a single property ever, we are going to be able to take you from just a bystander to an actual investor with the shows that we will provide for you. In fact, we may even have a deal for you in case you're looking for one. So we are super glad to have you. We're going to be covering everything. We're going to be having interviews with people, industry leaders, everything that has to do with real estate investment, whether it's a probate, whether it's foreclosures, anything and everything that has to do with that. We're also going to be covering flips, which would be where you purchase a home, you repurpose the home, fix it up, and make it like new, and then you put it back on the market and resell it. Again, that would be a flip. We're also going to be covering rental properties for you, where you would actually buy a property and you would hold it and you would rent it to a tenant for long term, and you would actually make money on top of what you purchased the home value for. We will also be covering development as well. In fact, we are currently developing our own commercial real estate, and it's going to be our home base for Journey Investments. And we'll definitely have an upcoming video for all of you guys checking us out on the development of that actual build for us. So we are super excited about having you on board. I can't wait to bring you guys more and more content. And like I said, by the end of you watching our videos, we want to make sure that you will actually be able to invest in a property, whether it's with us, where we do a side-by-side joint venture potentially, or where you already have so much knowledge built up that you feel confident going out and making your first deal. So thank you so very much. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and comment below. If you have any questions at all, we will try to answer as many questions as possible. Thank you so very much again. This is Journey Investments, and this is the Journey Investments Show. Have a wonderful day.